Matter. Matter can be defined as anything which occupies space or volume and mass and can be perceived by our senses. Matter exists in three states: solid, example wood, stone, sand, iron, etc. Liquids, water, milk, fruit juice, etc. Gases, substances like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, steam, etc. Atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which exhibits all properties of that element. Molecule. Atoms of same element or different element combine to form a molecule. A molecule is the smallest particle of a pure substance, element or compound. Ions. Atoms or group of atoms having a charge, positive or negative, are called ions. Symbol. A symbol is an image, object, etc. that stands for some meaning. Writing out the name of an element every time would be too troublesome. So the name of an element is represented by shortened form called as symbol. There are four types of symbols: Greek, alchemist, Dalton, and Berzelius symbols. Greek symbols. The symbol in the form of geometrical shapes. Alchemist symbol. Alchemists, the different materials that they were used were represented by the above mentioned symbols while they tried to change less valuable metal into gold. Dalton symbols. In 1808, John Dalton, English scientist, tried to name the various elements based on their pictorial symbols. Berzelius symbols. In 1813, John Jacob Berzelius devised a system using letters of alphabet rather than signs. Present symbol of determining symbols of the elements. The symbol of the most common elements, mainly nonmetals, use the first letter of their English name. Example, C for carbon. If the name of the element has same initial letter as another element, then the symbol uses the first and the second letters for their element name. For example, Ba for barium and Bi for bismuth. If the first two letters of the names of the elements are same, then the symbol consists of first letter and the second letter or the third letter of English name. Example, A for organ, As for arsenic. Some symbols are used on the basis of their old names or Latin name of an element. For example, Na for sodium, whose Latin name is natrium. Some elements are named using the name of country, scientist, color, mythological character, or plant. For example, Pu for plutonium, planet, and Eu for European, country. We should adhere to the following method. If the element has single English letter as a symbol, it should be written in capital letter. For elements having two letter symbols, the first letter should be in capital, followed by a small letter. Symbol of an element signifies name of the element, one atom of that element. Metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Metals are classified into metal, nonmetal, and metalloids based on their properties. Some of the common metals used are iron, copper, silver, gold, lead, zinc, aluminium, magnesium, nickel, chromium, and mercury. Similarly, the common nonmetals used are nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, and chlorine, etc. Physical properties of metal and nonmetal. State. Metals are solid in common except mercury, cesium, rubidium, francium, and gallium. They are liquid. Nonmetals occur in solid, liquid, or gases at normal temperature. Hardness. Most metals are hard except sodium and potassium. Nonmetals are generally not hard except diamond. Luster. All metals are shiny. An exception is calcium. Nonmetals have a dull appearance except diamond. Density. Metals generally have high density except sodium and potassium. Non-metals are generally soft and have low density except diamond. Melting and boiling point. Metals in general have high melting point and boiling point except sodium and potassium, mercury and gallium. Non-metals have low melting point and boiling point except carbon, boron and silicon. Tensile strength. The capacity to withstand strain without breaking is called tensile strength. Tensile strength is high in metals. Zinc, arsenic and antimony are exceptions. Non-metals do not have tensile strength. Malleability. The ability to be hammered into very thin sheets is called malleability. Metals are highly malleable. Example, aluminium is to thin foil sheets. Non-metals are non-malleable. Ductility. The ability to be drawn into thin wires is called ductility. All metals are highly ductile. Example, copper. Non-metals are non-ductile. Carbon fiber is highly ductile. Conductivity. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity except bismuth and tungsten. Non-metals are generally bad conductors of electricity. Graphite, a form of carbon, is exception. Sonorous. On being hit, they produce a typical sound. Metals in general are highly sonorous. Non-metals are non-sonorous. These are the meaning of lustrous, shining, sonorous, they produce sound when hit. Malleable, they can be hammered into thin sheets. Ductility, they can be drawn into thin wires. Metalloids. The elements which exhibit the properties of metals as well as non-metals are called metalloids. Example, boron, silicon, arsenic, germanium, antimony, tellurium and polonium. Physical properties of metalloids. Metalloids are solid at room temperature. The physical properties of metalloids tend to be metallic, but their chemical properties tend to be non-metallic. Uses of metalloids, metals and non-metals. Metalloids. Silicon is used in the electric devices. Boron is used in fireworks and as fuel for ignition in rocket. Metal. Iron is used for making bridges, engine parts and iron sheet. Copper is used for making electrical wires, coins and statue. Silver and gold are used for making jewels in decorative purposes and photography. Mercury is used in thermometers and barometers. Aluminium is used in electrical wires, cables and aerospace. Lead is used in automobile batteries, X-ray machines. Uses of non-metals. Diamond, a form of carbon, is used for making jewels. Graphite is used in making pencil lead. Sulfur is used in the manufacturing of gunpowder. Phosphorus is used in matches, rat poison, etc. Nitrogen is used for manufacturing ammonia. Chlorine is used for bleaching agent and in sterilizing water. Hydrogen is used as a rocket fuel. A compound. A compound is a pure substance which is formed due to the chemical combination of two or more elements in a fixed ratio by mass. A molecule of water is composed of an oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms in the ratio 1:2 by volume or 8:1 by mass. Classification of compound. Based on the origin of chemical constituents, compounds are classified into inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Inorganic compounds are obtained from non-living sources such as rock, mineral, etc. Example, chalk, baking powder. Organic compounds are obtained from living sources such as plant, animals, etc. Example, protein, carbohydrates. The pictures of organic and inorganic compounds. Both organic and inorganic exist in all three states of matter, that is, solid, liquid, and gases. Few examples of compounds in solid state are silica, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, copper sulfate, and zinc carbonate. Example of compounds in liquid state: water, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and acetic acid. Examples of compounds in gaseous state: carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, nitrogen dioxide, and ammonia. Here is a tabular column of the compounds, its constituents, and the uses. Water, hydrogen oxide, hydrogen and oxygen for drinking as a solvent. Table salt, sodium chloride, sodium and chlorine, essential component of our daily diet. Sugar, sucrose, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, preparation of sweets, toffees and fruit juices. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, sodium, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen, fire extinguisher, preparation of baking powder in preparation of cakes and bread. Washing soda, sodium carbonate, sodium, carbon and oxygen as a cleaning agent in soap and softening of hard water. Bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride, calcium, oxygen and chlorine as bleaching agent, disinfectant and sterilization of drinking water. Quicklime, calcium oxide, calcium and oxygen, manufacturing of cement and glass. Slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, calcium, oxygen and hydrogen, whitewashing of walls. Limestone, calcium carbonate, calcium, carbon and oxygen, preparation of chalk pieces.